So here's a little jig I made years ago for holding either round pieces of wood or square pieces of wood or oddly shaped pieces of wood where it doesn't readily fit into the vise. It's just a V-shaped block with an adjustable stop here. So you can raise or lower this. In this case, I've got this rectangular piece of birch and I'm preparing it for turning. I've marked out my circles at the end. I just want to knock off the edges. In this case, I can also clamp the other end of it just for a bit of extra stability. I use a draw knife a lot. It gets me down fast. Takes down this. You could use a slow shave, whatever you want. What I like about jigs, I like jigs that are it's easy to rotate the wood. You've got a lot of clearance. So I'll take down this edge here. Very straightforward, quick to use, cheap. Gets me down where I want to be fast. You can see. All right, thanks for watching.